Hey everyone, it's Umair here, also known as Java Little Professor. So in today's video, we're gonna be learning something super exciting. Which is Java buffered writing. So let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered how to use Java buffered writer, or how it works, or how to use it? Then, if yes, then don't worry, I got you. So before we start this video, we are basically make sure to like, share, and subscribe, as it motivates me to keep creating such content for like this for you guys. All right, guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, what is Java BufferedWriter? Well, Java BufferedWriter is basically like a class that lets you write into files. So just like how we use like file writing before, we're basically using buffer writing. So buffer writing is basically like a safer version and a secure version, you can also say, but it's also efficiently writing it because it's gonna like write by like line by line rather than characters by characters, like one character by one character. So yeah, so it means this is a way faster way than file writing. Alright, so now first of all we gotta import something. So we're gonna write import java.io.bufferedWriter. Then here we're gonna import java.io exception and import java.io.filewriter. Good. Now once we've imported these three over here, so now we can use try catch to make the code. So let's use try. Then we can like write BufferedWriter. Writer is equals to new BufferedWriter. Then we can write like new file writer. Okay. Now we can add like curly braces here. Right now we're gonna end this with catch. So try catch. So we're gonna do IO exception E. So this is basically gonna catch the, if like for example there's an error, so it's basically gonna catch the error and replace it with something else. So is equals to new file writer. The constructor file writer is undefined. Alright guys, so let's just try to fix this code for a bit. Alright guys, so the error was basically to add like the file path. So for that we have to create like string file path is equals to like we can do like output.txt. Alright. Now once we've named it, we can write file path. Alright, good. Now it's gonna work. Now we also gotta write e.print stack trace. Good. Now inside of the try catch, we're gonna write writer dot write. Now we can write like anything we would like. We can write hello, my name is Umair, or you can also write anything you would like. So I'm writing this. So you can also copy what I'm writing right now. Then we can write writer dot new line, I think. Writer. So what would this new line do? Well, it would basically like separate the text like this, like how like this is the first line. So basically like hello, my name is Umair is gonna be on the first line. Then the second text we want to write is basically gonna be on the second. So it's basically gonna write on the second line. So which is gonna be the new line. Now we can write the same thing here. Writer dot write. We can write I am 12 years old. Alright, now once we've done doing that, we're gonna write a lot of stuff like that. But remember, we always gotta separate it with new line. So new line, then we can do semicolon. Then I always forget the R. Then we can write another thing, writer dot new writer dot write. sorry, not new line, or else it's gonna be two new lines. So we don't want that to happen. So then we can write, wait a minute, writer.write. We can write, what should we write again? So we should write, I love Java. Now let's try to print this code. So let's run it. Now obviously it won't print anything in the output, so we've got to hover on src. Yeah, I think src. Then source, you can also say, then we can go on show in, wait a minute, system explorer. Now once we're in here, we gotta find our file named output. So here we go. So now let's check our file output. And as you can see, it printed, hello, my name is Umair, I'm 12 years old and I love Java. And yeah guys, like this was like super easy and like not complicated at all. Just like it just took like 5 to 6 minutes, I think, to like, you know, write this code and explain it. So hello, my name is Umair. So we can add like a lot of like we can write a lot of things, but we always gotta separate it with new line. So new line, writer, write, new line, just like that. So we can write like infinite like text here inside the, but yeah, so but this is like but like yeah, it's like super cool to do it. And yeah guys, that was it for today's tutorial of Java file handling, or we can also say BufferedWriter. So that was it. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah guys, have a nice day. Bye.